Alright guys, if you've got a KTM or Husqvarna 250 or 300 and your Kickstarter assembly came apart and you're not sure exactly how it goes back together, you just have to look. First of all, the spring's real easy because it's got a hole it has to go in. So that side is easy. But the other side, just look at the shaft. Each one of these raised splines right here, if you look closely, you might have to wipe the oil off. One of them has a line across them down the middle of it. The others do not. So I know you probably can't see it in the camera. I can barely see it in the manual, but only one of these raised splines has a line down the middle. And then this piece has a dot. You're gonna put the dot over that line, and then you know it's timed correctly. And from there, you can just slip it in the bike.